We transplant hearts, we transplant lungs, we transplant livers, we transplant kidneys, we transplant skin, we transfuse blood. So why can't we transplant eyes and restore vision to people who are blind? Because in order to transplant an eye, you'd have to reconnect the donor optic nerve to the recipient's optic nerve, and no one has ever been able to get these cells to regrow. Enter Dr. Chen.
I'm Feng Chen, an associate professor from Harvard Medical School Ophthalmology Department and the Skiffen's Eye Research Institute of Mount Sinai.
Dr. Chen is a true visionary. What she's been able to do is to get these cells to grow when no one else could do so. This is a true breakthrough in technology.
Optic nerve regeneration is the most critical barrier to restore vision for a whole eye transplantation project.
Dr. Chen has uniquely discovered what we call the PBG implant, polybenzyl glutamate. And with that, the G, the glutamate, stimulates these cut optic nerves to grow in ways that no one thought was possible, to get them to grow back all the way down the optic nerve to the brain.
The idea is using electric stimulations but turning into a chemical stimulation. We started by thinking, what is the molecular signal that stimulate or promote the nerve regeneration? Our study actually indicating is the glutamate signal. So that's a neurotransmitter released by the neurons. And when neurons continue to receive these signals, they will start to activate the regeneration program. With that idea, we work with the biomaterial scientists who generate this PBG biomaterial that will slowly present the glutamate signal to neurons but never fade away. Persistently give the neurons this stimulation and telling the neuron to regrow or regenerate. This discovery is really not only exciting for whole eye transplantation, but it really means that we now have a capacity to restore functions not only for the visual system, but also maybe for spinal cord injured patients or for stroke patients.
Throughout my career, patients have always asked me, could you restore my sight by giving me a new eye? For the first time, we actually have that opportunity to transplant an eye, get it to reconnect, and restore vision to people who are blind.